out at the tee.
Did you find the waterfall? No.
Found the creek.
Yeah, I knew I heard water.
It never goes up, does it?
Just keep going down. I went all the way to the bottom until I hit the creek.
Here's the thing. We're going to have to go back that way.
Yeah, because if you guys go down that, you ain't coming out. Yeah. I'm telling you, this thing, did you hear it?
Yeah, we heard it. We knew you hadn't found no flat shit because the tone never stayed on.
All the time that stone stayed on, whenever you heard it open, that was coming up. And I mean, that shit, my front wheels are off the ground. I'm leaning over the handlebars.
Fuck that. I'm worried about
well,
that. I don't want anything steeper.
Like I said, the thing is, let me see this. How far is... Well, I'm wondering if I shouldn't have went down there and took a left and see if it comes out here on this 96. It ain't that far across. But I don't even know getting them down now. We'll go back up.
Well,
if we get to a point where somebody don't want to go, stop. Somebody else will drive it up it and winch it up if it won't.
I can get it up there, but not with two people with this front end light.
Just go, and if you get something that's light, then I mean, if that's what it takes. I didn't know it was gonna. I mean, nobody knew, but.
I don't know if I
Well, we didn't go and hit the red trails really last time.
We did on side by side, and that's totally different ball game.
Yeah, because that side by side is stable in the front.
Yeah, that thing I wasn't scared. I mean, I was scared.
But you've got a full cage around you and a seat with. Yeah.
Big difference. A seatbelt. I wasn't sliding anywhere.
Dude, that's the most wicked thing I've come up. Cause it ain't so bad actually on the way down because I went around some of it, but on the way back up I went up the straight shots instead of up and around.
I'm glad you got your adrenaline fix.
That it did. That was wicked. Dude. Wait till you see the video. jump in first and go slow. I mean, I can drive it up it if you want to walk up. I don't care. Ain't nobody gonna call you.
Call me a pussy. I know, but
And you want to try up to this first little landing there and